In today's video, we'll have a look at the hardware on the front panel of the Selfie booth. There are three components on the front side of the booth: monitor, flash, and camera. First, we are going to remove the monitor and get access to the flash, which is located right behind it. There are 6 screws in total. You need to unscrew all of them to remove the monitor. Once you've removed all the screws, it's time to carefully remove the screen. Make sure to carefully unplug any cables attached to it as you pull it out. You'll see the flash is connected to the power cord. Underneath the flash, you'll find the buttons that allow you to increase or decrease its intensity. And a switch to turn it on or off. You'll also find a cable attached to it, which connects it to the camera. To remove you're going to need to insert your 2 fingers and pull it out like this, and then insert it back to proceed. You'll notice that the camera is attached with a screw on the bottom. If it's loose, you can tighten it up. There's also a screw for the tilt, which goes all the way to the outer part of the box. You can modify the position of the camera with this screw. Now let's look at the cables that go with the monitor. There's a power cable, an HDMI cable to connect the monitor to a computer, and the touch cable, which enables the touch screen. Now let's put the screws back in place. Then we'll go ahead and connect the ring light. Now we can put the cover back in place and secure it with the respective screws. And that's how you adjust the hardware that comes with your photo booth. If you check the bottom and upper parts of the booth, you'll notice there are some USB ports you can use to transfer data. Now go ahead and adjust your booth to your liking.